Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to how to actually enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to find the accounts and backup option. As you can see here, we've got Google Drive, so let's tap on backup data and tap on add account. And here make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And you do not really have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So now let me enter the password, and I have to do it out of the screen. Okay, so let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with this option. We've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on it and read it if you want to. Let's tap on I agree. And here we've got the step with the info about the backup on the Google one. So here we've got the info that we can use the 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on not now. We will go back to the accounts and backup, and if you will decide that you want to backup data, just tap on this option, and as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the backup section. Let's say here we can check the account storage and the backup details. So for example, what kind of data has been backed up. All you have to do here is to just tap on backup now. Here we have to enter the screen lock, if we've got one, of course. And as you can see, we've got the info that our device is backing up the data. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.